In this video, I would like to do a weekly recap. It is Thursday, April 12th, 11:30 a.m. So here we go. This is S&P daily chart that it's essential and crucial to use if you want to trade with institutions as day trader. This is what we've been dealing with third week in a row. This is where buyers stepped in from at reversal zone and reached this Fibonacci resistance identified since last year. This is the problem area this morning. This is what we're dealing with. This Fibonacci resistance. This is a long-term chart, ultimate bullish correction on daily. As bullish rally that continues from Fibonacci reversal zone until this resistance been taking a massive pause on your day trading chart hourly. Look at this chart and look how much market is in pain this morning. Why in the world is that? Bullish rally overextended. Buyers stepped in on your day trading chart last week on Friday. On Monday, price was at this key support. Buyers stepped in and reached this Fibonacci resistance. This was key point of entry from this support until this resistance, time and time again. Not this morning, as buyers stepped in unfortunately in European session. Third hour in a row, market in correction. Drastically different structure this week for day trader, no matter what chart you use. No matter if it's tick, no matter if it's minute, no matter if it's range chart. Learning how to use these Fibonacci levels on any instrument of your choice. Absolutely up to you. Buying this high is worst idea ever for day trader. If you choose to use 5-minute chart, take a look. How much pain this market is this morning. Fibonacci support identified days in advance in a play keeping trader out of trouble. Fibonacci support that was key resistance and key targets prior days. Knowledgeable trader knows that extremely well. How essential and crucial these Fibonacci levels are on any instrument you will choose to trade. Phil, who is posting this in the room this morning, using oil. Time and time again, in case you missed oil news yesterday morning, this is picture perfect reminder of what Phil referring to. This is Fibonacci strategies on oil. This is where oil was yesterday morning. Do you remember this support? Identified weeks in advance? Video recorded on 1-minute chart. This support identified well before oil news, where bias is firmly bullish. We had extremely bearish news last morning on oil. Fibonacci shown you very, very clearly. Fibonacci drastically more accurate than oil will ever be, no matter what chart you use. Buyers stepped in from this support into this resistance. It would be such a good news if S&P will do the same. What is the power of this chart once again? This level is present in front of you for weeks. This is where oil collapsed from, the same place where S&P is this morning. And this is where oil rallied from time and time again. Trend inception, Fibonacci reversal zone. And this is where oil struggling immensely this morning. Oil rallied hundreds of points from this support to this resistance, reminding you Fibonacci will be drastically more accurate than any fundamentals, any delayed indicators will ever be. As exact same strategies in a play currently on Euro. Look on Euro. These levels been in a play on Euro for the last 2 years. This is Fibonacci resistance. Exact same level we're dealing with on S&P this morning, except on Euro it's resistance, not support. This is your channel on Euro now. Everyone seeing this? Key support. You want to trade Euro? Why not? Learn the strategies and apply it to any instrument you will choose. You want to use the strategies on Euro daily? What is the difference? You holding position for days, maybe weeks. But if you choose to hold position long term, you know extremely well where Tesla is now. Headlines yesterday in financial news. Biggest short in US is Tesla. Really? Tesla sell-off had started in 2017 from this reversal zone until this support. This support is broken only a few weeks ago. What are you seeing on Tesla? Biggest short finding support? Shock or not. This is Fibonacci support. This is Fibonacci resistance. On Tesla, buyers more powerful, but both trends are minor. We have 40% sellers and 60% buyers on Tesla now. It's all in front of you. This is what Price is telling us very clearly this morning. You don't need volume indicators. You don't need anything except pure price and Fibonacci. You trading weekly, you holding position for weeks, months and years. And that's what's in a play currently. On Apple as well. Look at that. That's the accuracy of the method I could not be more proud of. I developed in 2008 and been teaching to traders from beginner to hedge fund trader in US and globally since 2011. Apple in pain. And just to remind you, as you're witnessing how much pain Apple is right now, this is picture perfect reminder where a bullish rally came on Apple from. Let's walk down memory lane. As I said, if Fibonacci support is respected, expect bullish bounce. Do you remember Apple at 91? Bright pink line? This is the image from April 2016. Apple at 91, support respected. And this is where Apple is now. From 91 to 181. So, you want to trade Apple? You want to trade Tesla? You want to trade Euro? Choice is yours. Exact same accuracy you're witnessing every day on S&P and especially oil during oil news, where you witnessed very clearly bearish news did not mean a thing. Fibonacci support respected. Rules are met, take a trade. Never buy into reversal zone. Never short into Fibonacci support. Very bearish news did not mean a thing. However, price is struggling to break through reversal zone present in the room since March. On trade, 1 minute, tick chart and higher. And that's the power and accuracy of the method, as S&P reminding you every day. Witness the accuracy of the method in live markets. in the trading room Monday through Thursday only. Trading room is always closed on Friday. Friday devoted to Fibonacci Mastery course. We start from scratch this Monday. Tomorrow, extremely important day as we're witnessing historical formations. And S&P reminding you, if you know where this bullish rally coming from, and you know how crucial this support is, you can take a trade at any Fibonacci support if rules are met. But never ever ever short into support that was resistance for days before. So I'm monitoring S&P very carefully at this moment. So here we go, traders. That's the recap for the week. Again, we're frozen in massive correction, third hour in a row at overextended rally on S&P. Bullish rally started at trend inception. This is the most challenging place for day trader to be. So, we're closing the room. We're off to Fibonacci class tomorrow morning. Course starts from scratch on Monday, April 16th. I highly encourage you, please review the video about the accuracy of the method prior, as we're dealing with historical formations in the market. Group course 8 weeks, private mentoring 16. I have only one spot left in private mentoring. After that, waiting list only. Private mentoring 16 weeks includes all group classes. I highly encourage you, best part of the website, always and forever, listening to what students trade, from beginner to hedge fund trader, from retail trader in Florida to hedge fund manager in Qatar, in Alabama, in Dubai, in Switzerland, trading the method. What you want to trade after you learn the method, absolutely up to you. After you review the information on the website, if you have any questions for me, never hesitate to contact me, even on weekends. info@fibinstitute.com or 925-257-4298 at any time. Thank you so much, traders. Look forward to seeing you in the course. Have a wonderful weekend. We are out. We're not babysitting corrections. And that's what separates knowledge from trader who is participating in market that's overextended and doing nothing. And that's how you stay out of trouble. This is a dance this morning. Third hour in a row, Fibonacci support respected. And that's how you save yourself a lot of time. And that's how you do not babysit the markets. This is how you apply sniper's mentality, which gave us only within 6 hours 4 key trades that reached Fibonacci targets, as you see students posted throughout the week in the room, as Phil had done this morning again. And that's the key. What you trade, absolutely up to you. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. And that's all that matters. Market is formed by Fibonacci levels. No matter what chart, no matter what instrument you trade. Key rules in live classes Monday and Friday. Adios everybody, market and pain.